Hello friends, so in today's video we will be running AI locally inside our system or laptop. Now for this purpose we will be using Ollama. Ollama is a lightweight extensible framework which helps us run different pre-built LLM models. So let's start. Okay, so this is the website of Ollama, ollama.com. So you can go to this website. So it's quite easy to install and run. So you just need to go to download. Now you have Windows, Linux, and Mac's option. So for now, we will just install Windows exe. Okay, so it will install the Windows exe installer. Also, we can install it inside Linux using this command. So since we are also running Ubuntu as a WSL, we can install there. So let me start my WSL. Okay, now this is our Ubuntu running inside WSL. Okay, so let me install here as well. So for this, we need to just run this command. Okay, so this install.sh script will basically install the Ollama inside the Linux. So it is asking for my root password. Okay, so downloading has started. Okay, so I've also started the Ollama installation on Windows, and in parallel, we are running our installing our Ollama inside the Ubuntu machine as well. So it will take some time. Okay. So I will be just stopping the video for now. Once it is done, then we will resume. Okay, so now Ollama is installed on both Windows and in Ubuntu, which is running on WS. So you can see that this window, which is on the left side, is our Ubuntu, and it is running Ollama version 0.5.7. And on the right side, we have our PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, and here also we have the same 0.5.7 Ollama version. Okay. Now let's run some LLM models. So on the model section of this website, you can see different LLM models that we can run using this Ollama. Now I will go to the GitHub link, okay, and from here you can see these are all different Ollama different LLM models that we can run. So we have Llama, we have Phi, we have Gemma, Mistral. Okay, so these all we can run. So let me first let's run. Okay, let's run this LLM 3.2 with parameters 1b. That is of size 1.3 GB. So let me run this inside one of the window. Okay, so I'm running Ollama 3.2 1b inside our Ubuntu, and we will run some other version. Let's take this Gemma 2. So let me install this or run this Gemma 2 inside the PowerShell or Windows. Okay, so now we are running Gemma 2 in Windows, and we are running Llama in Ubuntu. So first it pulls manifest. Okay, so manifest it is something like when we do some Docker pull and Docker run, it actually pulls the Docker image from the Docker Hub repository and runs the Docker container. In a similar way, Ollama run Gemma, what it is doing, it is first pulling the manifest and then it will pull the complete LLM model and then we'll start the LLM model. So meanwhile, I think Llama 3.2 is almost done. It is around 80%. So you can see that, with the help of Ollama, we can run different types of LLM models in parallel. So right now I am running two LLM models both in parallel in my system. So I think Ubuntu is on 90%. It is almost done. Okay, so it is 93% and Gemma is on 88%. So let me pause the video, and once it is done, both the models are installed, then we will resume. Okay, so the Gemma model is almost it's installed successfully, and we are on the prompt of the uh, Gemma model. So let me first stop this, and then we will start both the LLM models together. So this slash by is the command to exit the LLM model. Okay, so now I can see that the Llama model is also installed on our Ubuntu machine. So let me first exit from here as well. Okay, now this is our Ubuntu and this is our Windows. So let's run. So now every time we will run this Ollama run command with this the LLM model name, it will start the LLM model. And first time, since it downloaded the complete model, it took some time because it was of size around 1.6 GB. So it took some time, and now it will not download it since it is already downloaded inside our system. So it will just start the LLM model. So let me again start both these models. So right now I am running two models in parallel in my machine. So let us ask some question. So let us ask, what is Gen AI? So let's ask the same question to both the models and see how they both replies. Okay. So you can see it is, very quickly they both have started providing us the answer to our query or our question. Okay, both are done. Gen AI, also known as general artificial intelligence or artificial general intelligence, refers to an artificial intelligence system that possesses human-like reasoning, problem-solving abilities, and learning capabilities. It is designed to perform a wide range of tasks similar to those of humans, such as reasoning, making inferences, drawing conclusions, and understanding the world around us. Problem solving, identifying problems, finding solutions, and optimizing outcomes. Learning, adapting to new situations, learning from experience. So this was the answer provided by Llama. Now let's check at the answer provided by Gemma. GenAI stands for Generative Artificial Intelligence. Here's a breakdown. Artificial intelligence. This refers to the capability of computers and software to mimic human intelligence, including tasks like learning, problem solving, and decision making. Generative, in this context, generative means that these AI systems are capable of creating new content rather than just analyzing or manipulating existing data. Okay, so you can see both has provided a very good answer to your questions. You can ask more question as well. So you can just tell, wow, let me see, who are you? Okay, so when I asked the question, who are you to Llama, it just said I am an artificial intelligence model known as Llama. Llama stands for Large Language Model Meta AI. And Gemma responded with, I'm a Gemma, a large language model created by the Gemma team. Think of me as an AI assistant who can understand and respond to your request in text form. I've been trained on a massive data set of text and code, which allows me to generate different creative text formats, translate languages, write different kinds of content, and answer your questions in an informative way. Now let us ask some question to both of them to, write some code. So let me write a Python code to print Fibonacci series. Okay, so you can see we both have written the code. So here it has written the code and it has explained the code as well, whatever it has written. In a similar way, Gemma has also written the Python code for it and also explained the code which it has provided. So both the AI model is like, completely free to run inside your system. If you see that, many AI models are provided by like, GitHub, or they provide limited access and all. But this you can run locally with a full, full capabilities and no limitation for the users of these LLM models. Also, you can, with the help of Ollama, you can create your own AI as well. So if you see here, so you can import the exist like the way you run your Docker uh, or the way you build your Docker images. Similar way you can create your own model using the existing model. So right now it is using the from this model it is creating a new model which is called example. It is creating a model file. So in the same way we create a Docker file inside a Docker, we can create a model file and there we can write these commands. Okay, also we can customize the prompt. Like right now it is using, if you see this example, it is using the model Llama 3 to create the new model. And it is the model file looks something like this from Llama 3.2. So it is using the base model as the Llama 3.2. There it is adding the temperature. Temperature is basically want how much creative you want your AI model to be. So that you can add here. So the value 1 means it is more creative, and if you reduce the value, it is I think 0, between 0 to 1 you can provide the value of temperature. And if the value is less than 1, it is less creative and more coherent, and if it is 1, it is more creative. Next, you can ask, you can set the system message. You are Mario from Super Mario Bros. Answer as Mario, the assistant only. And then you can run these commands like Ollama create Mario -f, the model file, this file that you created, and you can run this Ollama run Mario. And once you put some message, it will act like it is a Mario from Super Mario Bros. And it will provide answer to your queries. Yeah. So that's all. I think that's all for the today's video. You can use Ollama to run different models and all. Okay. And I will be also trying some different use cases and different models. Plus, also if you want, to have some uh, UI for your model, you can use these tools. So if it is web and desktop tools, so it can help you create chat, and like the way we have Chat GPT, you can create your own Chat GPT using all these frameworks or more or tools. Okay, so it has Open Web UI, Libra Chat, Bionic Chat, GPT, okay, Chatbot UI. So these can help you create, front ends and chatbots for your use cases. So I will be also exploring all this, and in future maybe we will create in future maybe I will create some more videos on these and see what other helps it can provide. So thanks for the today's video. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.